Hey guys, what's up? It's Scott Clark with Scooter Media, and in today's video, I'm going to go through the steps it takes to make a video for YouTube. I will go into detail about picking a topic, research and planning, script writing, shooting, and then editing the video. On this channel, we provide filmmaking tutorials and tips and tricks, as well as doing some product reviews, so if you are new here, please consider subscribing. Let's get into it. I want to start this video with just a little disclaimer, and that is to say that I'm sure everyone on YouTube has a different method of making videos, and in this video, I'm going to show you mine. There's not really a right or wrong way of doing this, but I thought it might be interesting to show you all the work that actually goes into making just one video for YouTube. The first thing we need to do is pick a topic for a YouTube video, and for today's example, I'm going to do a review on this Canon EF to R adapter with built-in ND filter, because I think it's a great product, I own it, and I've used it, and I can shoot it as B-roll later to put in the video as well. Picking a topic is usually a pretty straightforward step in the process, but a very important one. I think if you try and make a video without a topic in mind, you're going to have a hard time making things up on the go, and it will show in the video. Now that I've picked a topic, I need to research the topic so that I can write a script based on the product. The first thing I do is go to Canon's website to copy any information and specs related to the EF to R adapter. I will also look for any other reviews or videos on the product and copy and paste any information that I find into a Word document. Again, this is very important, especially if you're talking about a product or trying to educate people on a specific topic. If you don't do the research on the product or don't know the topic you're trying to teach people about, it will come across that way in the video. Now that I have all of the information in one Word document, I will go through it all and put it into my own words and into a script that flows in my style. One thing that I want to make sure of is that I'm not copying information word for word from either the website, the reviews, or videos. And I know not everyone on YouTube writes scripts and some people can just chat in front of the camera, but for me personally, I find writing out a script for each video and then using the teleprompter to present it works best. My script is now written, and the next step in the process is planning the shots for the video. I will think about how I want to present this product and make a shots list of the various B-roll shots that I will need based on my script. This is also a reason I find scripting helps, as I can refer back to the script to see exactly what I'm planning to say and base my shot list on that. I think I have all of the shots that I want planned out now, and it's time to shoot the video. The first thing I need to do is make sure that my script is uploaded to the teleprompter app on my tablet, and then I'll place the tablet onto the teleprompter. Then I'll set up the studio for the A-roll portion of the video, which is me sitting and talking in front of the camera. I need to turn on all the lights and make sure that all my camera settings are right and that my mic is good to go so that we have good audio in the video. And it looks like everything's good to go, so I'm going to record the talking portion now. Okay guys, I finished recording the A-roll, and now I'm going to shoot the B-roll, which is the product shots that will be shown over the talking portion in the video. I will refer to my shots list and shoot everything on the list, crossing the shots off as I go until I know I have everything I need. For the video, I'm also going to show some examples of shots with and without the ND filter adapter, so I need to go outside now to shoot those. Okay, I'm outside now and shooting the remaining B-roll shots for the video until I have everything shot that was needed. Okay, I believe I've shot everything that I need, and now I'm going to go back to the studio to ingest the footage and get ready to edit it. Alright, I am back in the studio, and now I need to put everything we shot into the computer for editing and color grading. All of our shots are ingested, and now it's time to edit. I use pretty much the same formula when editing my YouTube videos, and that is to correct the audio first, so I adjust the audio levels and apply any audio effects until I'm happy with the overall sound of the audio. The next thing I will do is go through the whole thing and trim any mistakes or ums and ahs that were in the A-roll or talking part of the video. I'm now left with a rough cut of the A-roll portion of the video, and will now add in the B-roll shots to highlight the specs and shot examples that I talk about in the video. I've now added in all of the B-roll shots, and the last few steps in editing are just ensuring that the overall video is where I want it to be, as well as doing the color grade. I shoot all of my videos in C-Log 3, which means that every shot needs to be color corrected and graded, which is a few extra steps, but I do think it's worth it in the end. Okay, the video is done being edited and color graded and is now exporting out of Premiere Pro to get it ready to upload to YouTube. I now have the exported video, and I'm going to upload the video to YouTube now. And there is the Canon EF to R adapter video live on YouTube now. I hope this video helps to give you an understanding of the steps involved to take a video idea from concept to completion. And if you guys found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, as it really does make a difference, and I'd love to have you join me on this YouTube journey. If you're interested in seeing the final Canon EF to R adapter video, click on the link right here to check it out. Thanks for watching today's video. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one.